Greetings from Parma. Hi, I'm Alicia from the blog poiseandparma.com. My blog is a healthy balance blog where I like to write about my life, my job, my blog, and my dog. This is Grady, by the way. I am so excited to be a part of the Chevy Girls on the Go program for the month of December. And I'm here to show you that Parma is more than white socks with black shoes and pierogies. As a lifelong Clevelander, I grew up in the Parma area and went to Baldwin Wallace for college. I started my nonprofit career here in the city, and now as an events director, I plan food and wine events and fundraisers for a local nonprofit. It's not too shabby for a foodie. On top of it, I like to also write about my healthified recipes on the blog, as well as my running recaps for the half marathon that I'm currently training for. Ultimately, family is the most important thing to me, and I wouldn't be here without them, especially my husband Hans, who probably gets more FaceTime on the blog than he prefers. I'm so excited to be test driving the Chevy Cruze for the next month. We're a Chevy family, so I currently drive a Cobalt, so I'm the perfect girl to compare the two. So hold on as I take you all around the Northeast Ohio area. If you read my blog already, you pretty much know that randomness is my middle name. So go Browns, go Cavs, and go Chevy. See you soon.